Hello and welcome back to your English class, my dear students. Today again we are going to do the first chapter. Now we are in third part of our chapter. Rest of the exercises which were left yesterday, we will do them now. So let us start. Learning grammar. Use of is, am, are. We have read in the lesson. It is air. I am everywhere. The leaves are dry. We use is when the subject is singular and are when the subject is plural. Also we use am with I and are with you. Yes, my dear students, you can see here in the three sentences. First one has is. Yes, it is air. Air is the subject, that is singular. So we used here is. And in the second sentence, I am everywhere. As it is mentioned here, we can use or we use am with I. So it is given here, I am everywhere. In the third sentence, you can see the leaves are dry. So my dear students, with the singular we use is and with the plural we use are in the present sentence. And am we use with I. Let us now go to the next page. Now my dear students, see here the fourth exercise is given. Now we will do this. Now complete the following sentences using is, am, are. Today dash Monday. Today is Monday. Next one is I dash ready to go to school. Here I is given, so we use here am. We will write am here and then now our sentence is I am ready to go to school. Rahul and John dash also ready. Rahul and John are more than one, so we will write here are. Rahul and John are also ready. Rahul's bag dash red. Rahul has one bag. His bag is singular, so we will use here is. Rahul's bag is red. Next exercise is his shoes dash black. His shoes are black. This is also completed. Now let us go to the next exercise. See, this is exercise 5. Read in pairs. Here given one pair and let us now see their conversation. In pair, two persons are there, Reena and Raju. Reena said, there are no clouds in the sky. Raju said, that means it will not rain. Then Reena said, but we cannot go out. It is very hot. Raju said, yes, Reena. Reena said, let us sit inside and listen to music. Raju said, yes, Reena, that will be nice. Let us go ahead. Now here given mother-child talk. The child asked his mother, Mother, may I go out? Mother said, no, it's raining, you will get wet. Then I will sit at the window and watch the rain. Now my dear students, here exercise is also given for you. If we go out in the rain, we may get wet. Yes, we may get wet. Our clothes, our head, our hair, full our body get wet. Second one is, so we must use an umbrella or a raincoat. Yes, my dear student, during the school times when it comes rain, what you are doing? You are using umbrella and the raincoat to avoid the water. Yes, my dear students, in this way we have finished this exercise also. Let us go to the next exercise. So dear students, here the exercise is started. The sun gives us heat and light. In the same way, around us a lot of animals or things are there which provide us a lot of things. As the cow gives us milk, same way buffalo also gives us milk. But here the picture is given and So we have to give the answer according to the picture only. Cow gives us milk. Yes. Second one picture is given cloud. Clouds bring rain. Then third one is hen gives us egg. Then ship gives us wool. Yes, my dear students, in the same way tree gives us wood as well as medicine also. So my dear students, this exercise also finished. Let us go to the next exercise. So my dear students, take this new exercise. This is long sound of letter A. As you know, A is a vowel. In the word late, A sound long. See the picture below. Speak out the word. Write what these pictures are. So first picture is tape. Yes. So spelling T-A-P-E, tape. Second picture is of cage. C-A-G-E, cage. Third picture is of page. P-A-G-E. Fourth picture is of, yes, face. F-A-C-E, face. Now the fifth picture is of race. Two boys are running. So this is the picture of a race. R-A-C-E. Now in this way, my dear students, in this way you can see, you can have few more words like gate, late, mate. So you can find out this kind of words in the book. My dear students, now we are at the last activity of our chapter first. See, children always like rains. When it rains, they want to have fun. Write what you like to do when it rains. First, here one picture of a girl is given, and then she said, I like to sit at a window and watch the rain or see the rain. I like to make paper boat. My dear students, what other activities you like to do when it rains? You can mention in your rough notebook. So now in this way we have finished our chapter. In my previous class, I have given you the word power, fill in the blanks, took the right answers, question answers, dictation words, and today we finished the grammatical exercises. So now you can do these grammatical exercises in your book, and rest of the exercise which I have given you yesterday, you can write them in your notebook. Tomorrow we will meet with another chapter. Till then, enjoy the exercises and reading part of this chapter. Thank you.